Hello friend, my name is Sani and you are seeing Let's Learn with Sani YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to solve the first layer of Rubik's cube. So first we have to make the white color and its opposite color is yellow. So first make the star at the opposite side. I will show how to make it. Like this you have to make at the opposite side, and then match the edge piece to the middle piece. Here is green, so match with it and scroll 2 times upside. Here is already matched. Here is red, match with it and scroll 2 times. Here is blue, match with it and scroll 2 times. So finally our plus has been made. So here is color white, green and red. So first find that piece. Here it is. And put it at the right side, because it is in right side, so put at that place. Now next is white, blue and orange. So where it is first find, so here we have to take out it from here and set here. And now next is white, orange and green. So first find it. Here is, put it there at right place. Okay, now last one is there only, so put it there directly. So finally our first layer has been made. Very easy steps are there. Subscribe, share and like to my channel. Thank you.